Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I'm thinking I'm going to make a masculine style Valentine today, and I found this cardboard in my stash. I think it would make a good base. I dug into my Tim Holtz papers, and this print has a good amount of red in it. I think I want to introduce some red. Also, there's this stripe. That's nice and masculine. This is also Tim Holtz. These are cigar labels. I've used something similar to that in the past for a masculine card. Here's some more of that print. I like this too. This is cigar box labels or something. It's a little bit dark, so I think I'll use that sparingly. And I found this template. I'm going to try to incorporate that somehow. So I finished up the ephemera and the tags that I want to put into this masculine Valentine, and I thought I would do a little flip through in reverse, and that is to show you the base. Can you see the mica spray I put on it? I think that's antique bronze glitter spray. So I put that on the front, and can you see it kind of shimmering? I put it on the back. So here are the embellishments. Here's a tag I made with the cigar wrapper paper and then that pretty red paper. And I made this little booklet. It says "Sealed with Affection" inside, and adorned it with a little gear. And that's going to fit right here in the larger pocket. And then I have this little sweet stamp, and that's going to go right here. And then, of course, I have my King of Hearts. He's going to go right here. And then, how about this? 2 for $5. These are Tim Holtz ephemera. Stick it right there. And then this little goodie, how about right here? And a ticket. We always need a ticket. Put a ticket right here. And I think that that finishes off the front. So let's turn him over. And I added my knight in shining armor on the back, and I stuffed this little pocket with a few little tickets. Brave and strong. Isn't that cute? I made this. This was a scrap from last year. Apparently I cut out a heart and used it, so I used the leftover of that and put some pretty vellum inside of there. That's Amore. And this opens up. You can put a gift card in here, but right now I'm just doing my ace placeholder. You could also put your love coupons in there, you know, good for one back scrub. You get the idea. So I think I'm going to stick her right here. And then I have this larger Tim Holtz tag. I backed it with the cigar paper. Soulmates. Put some of this suede string on it. And a little steampunky embellishment. And I think that's going to sit right there. I may put a few more other things in it. I have a tendency to over embellish. Thanks for watching.